Hey guys, it's Kripa. Welcome to Kripa's Love Bug. And those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right down there because that's the only way you'll get notified whenever I post my new videos. So, yeah, if you like this eye makeup, then keep on watching. So, I'm starting off with applying my concealer, and here I'm using my Elegant concealer and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender, and then I'm going to set it with banana powder. You can use any loose powder because we want to create a smooth canvas for our eyeshadows. So I'm starting off with highlighting my brow bone. You can use any highlighter. And for eyeshadow, I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette. And from that, I'm using Silk Cream. And I'm just, setting my crease. And next, I'm taking Pooter and applying it into outer corner and into the crease, halfway through my crease. And next, I'm taking Jax from the same palette and intensifying my crease and outer corner because that is where we want to focus. And also I'm doing a little wing with the eyeshadow, and now with the hunts I'm going to increase the intensity more because I personally love to use different shades in crease. And now with the twerk, this is like little bluish very nice color, and I'm going to apply it into the outer corner. I'm going to intensify this outer corner and the outer crease, not going to go like through crease, but yeah, only the outer part. Now with a thin flat brush, I'm applying my concealer and I'm cutting my crease. I'm using Elegant concealer, and then I'm gonna apply Queen from the same palette. This is like pretty golden color, and when you cut your crease with concealer, you'll have nice canvas to work on. So which is like always good. And now I'm spraying my brush with makeup fixing spray, and I'm gonna apply Royalty in the middle of the purple and the golden shade because that is a shimmery purple shade. And now with the Pool Party shade, which is like like sea green shade, I'm gonna apply in between of purple and golden. And now I'm taking the clean blending brush and I'm just blending everything together. Make sure you blend everything good because that's the key to good eyeshadow. Now from the Wet n Wild Shimmery palette, I'm applying purple shimmer to my outer corner, and now I'm applying my gel Rimmel eyeliner to just create a wing. And because I have the iPad on, it is much easier to create a wing. And now with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to create a little thin eyeliner because I don't want my eyeshadow to um covered up with eyeliner. So yeah, really thin eyeliner. And yeah, here I'm applying mascara. And the time is for falsies. Before applying falsies, if you apply mascara, then it's really easier to apply falsies. Now I'm using the same eyeshadows which I've used to create transition for my upper lid. Exactly, I'm doing the same thing to my lower lid and keeping the darkest eyeshadows near to my waterline. And now I'm highlighting my inner corner with the same golden shade which I've applied on the upper lid. Now I'm applying the same gel eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm hiding my lash band with this green eyeliner because that's so colorful and I love it. So yeah, that's it. If you like this beautiful colorful eyeshadow look, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button, and also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. The link will be in the description box. Bye bye. See ya.